Well guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another little car in here. This is my boy's little Daewoo. It's going to be a simple one, I hope. Taillights out. Let's show you. That's what it should look like. And that's what it does look like. So I reckon just a bulb gone. I'll set you up on the tripod. Let's get the light off. Before I put it on the tripod, I forgot to say it is 2004 Daewoo Matiz. Very similar to the Chevrolet, I believe, the similar or slightly later. But let's go on in. Got to open the boot or the trunk, depending where you're from. I'll show you the fittings before you set up on the tripod. And if you look in there, there's just two Phillips or posi drive screws. Right. So here's my little screwdriver. I've got a couple of plastic little things to pry it out with. If you haven't got anything like this, you'll do it with a flat screwdriver, but I'd wrap the end in a bit of tape just to protect your paintwork. So start off with these. One there. One there. I was already coming loose this side. Right. Whoop. Get me the tool. Oh, nearly dropped it. There we go. So I'm not sure which one of the lamps it'll be. I'll turn them on and have a look and we can just swap them. Right, looking at the lamps missing. Well, not working, it's around about here. So that's that one. Give it a twist. Oh yeah. And she's gone. Can you see it? Try like that. Well and truly blown. Alright, let's try and find a replacement. So I found a replacement one. Let's chuck it in. That works. Let's get me greasy finger marks off of it. Chuck it back in there. Line up these two pegs. Yep, line up these two pegs. Give it a shove in. Put the two screws back in. Shut the boot. And there we have it. Done. Well, there we go. Nice easy job. Just a couple of tools. Well, you don't need one of them, but I've got one of them, so I'm using it. And we can do it. Hope this is some help to someone. If it saves you 5 minutes, it saves you 5 minutes. It's only took me a few minutes, so there we go. So please subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up if it does help you. And I'll see you next time. Cheers then.